Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey, but it can also be physically and emotionally demanding. Establishing a relaxing pumping routine can make the process more enjoyable and effective. Pump With Me encourages mothers to create a calming environment that supports both milk expression and mental well-being. Start by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax. Use a supportive chair and keep essentials like water, snacks, and a good book or soothing music nearby. Warm compresses and gentle breast massages before pumping can help stimulate milk flow, while deep breathing exercises can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Consistency is key. Try to pump at the same times each day to align with your body's natural rhythm. Remember, every ounce counts, and your efforts are a gift to your baby. Embrace this time as an opportunity to connect with yourself and your breastfeeding journey.